Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio vintage watch new model A168WA-8AYES. Let's get started. In 1974, the Japanese company Casio set a milestone in the history of watches by developing one of the world's first digital wristwatches. Why is Casio vintage so popular? These watches are designed to withstand extreme conditions, making them the go-to choice for outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and those with demanding lifestyles. Casio watches are built to last, and their reputation for reliability has solidified their popularity. This model has standard features: 12 24-hour format, alarm, stopwatch, calendar, and backlight. Do you like this new color? The watch case and glass are made of resin. The bracelet is made of stainless steel. Casio vintage watches aren't large. The width of this model is 36 mm, with a weight of only 50 grams. The battery in this model lasts up to 7 years. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.